Now, question is, if x and y are connected parametrically by the equation without eliminating the parameter, find dy by dx. And here the value of x is 2at square and the value of y is at power 4. How can we solve that question? Here question given question is without eliminating the parameter. Then here we can see the variable is t for both value of x and y. Okay, the variable is t. Can we differentiate x with respect to t? Can we differentiate y with respect to t? Okay, first we differentiate x with respect to t. What is the value of x is 2at square, and we are differentiating with respect to t, and this is the value of y, and we differentiate y with respect to t, and the value of y is at power 4, and we are differentiating this y with respect to t. Okay, now we know this is constant value, and we know constant value will go outside. Okay, and a is also a constant, then it will also go outside. Okay, now t square is variable. Okay, variable value is t square, and now we differentiating t square with respect to t. Okay, then what is the differentiation of t square is 2t. Okay, then what is the differentiation of x with respect to t is 2a into 2t. Now next, for this, here a is a constant, then constant will go outside, and t power 4 differentiate with respect to t. Then what is the differentiation of t power 4 is? T power 4 is n into t power n minus 1. What is the power of t is 4, means value of n is 4. T power 4 minus 1 means 3, means t power 4 differentiate with t is 4 t power cube. Okay, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. What we have to find? dy by dx. dy by dx. Now equation 2 divided by equation 1. Why? Because of dy by dt divided by dx by dt is equal to dy by dx. Now what is the value of dy by dt is a 4 t per cube, divided by what is the value of dx divided by dt is 2 to the 4 a t, means 4 will be cancel, a will be cancel, and what t, and here is t per cube, then what will be answer is t per square. This will be a answer. Okay, now next question. Next question is, if x and y are connected parametrically by the equation without eliminating the parameter, find dy by dx, and here is the value of x and here is the value of y. Now we can see here is the variable is cos theta, means theta, and here is also theta. Okay, can we differentiate x and y with respect to theta? Can we differentiate? Yes, we can differentiate. Now we are differentiating x with respect to theta. Okay, now what is the value of x is a cos theta. We are differentiating with respect to theta. For same y is differentiate with respect to theta, and what is the value of y is b cos theta, and differentiate with theta. Okay, we know a is a constant value, then constant value will be go outside, means a, and this is cos theta. Cos theta is differentiate with respect to theta. Then what is the definition of cos theta is minus sin theta, means minus sin theta, means dx by d theta is equals to a minus sin theta. Now for y, we know b is also a constant value, then b will go outside, means b into, and what is the value of cos theta, what is the definition of cos theta is minus sin theta, okay, minus sin theta. And what is the definition of y with respect to theta is b minus sin theta, okay. This is dy by d theta and this is dx by d theta, and we are finding dy by dx. Then how can we write this dy by dx is equals to, means dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is the value of dy by d theta is minus b sin theta divided by, and what is the value of dx divided by d theta is minus a into sin theta, means sin theta and minus will be cancelled and answer will be b by a. This is our answer, okay.